Hey, at the end of this video, you're gonna learn how to edit videos to music beats for TikTok, just like the one you're watching right now. If you wanna learn how to do this, then stay with me. I'll show you how in less than 5 minutes. Before we proceed, if you're new here, consider subscribing to the channel and click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our next video release. So let's get into it. Alright, let's start by importing our media, the videos you're gonna be using for this tutorial. So I already imported mine. You can do that if you haven't yet. We also need a music for our video, so it will be good you get a music that have a very strong beat for the purpose of this video. I'm going to use this. Right click on the music and click on beat detection. I've done that already, so just click on beat detection to detect the beats. You can also click on options to choose either you want only the upbeat or the downbeat. If you have done that, the next thing you need to do is to drag your audio to the timeline. Drag and drop it on the timeline. As you can see, the markers indicate the upbeat and the downbeats. The red markers indicate the downbeat, while the other one indicate the upbeats. But we're going to be using the red marker. We're going to be cutting our video to the red marker. So let's cut out the part of the audio that we don't want. Cut and delete. And this is the part we're going to use for our video. So it's time to add our videos to the timeline. Drag and drop all your videos on the timeline. You can do that one after the other, or you can just highlight them and drag and drop them at the same time. Let's first of all change the aspect ratio. Click on this icon right here and choose change aspect ratio. Now we're going to change it to 9:16 and click OK. Hey guys, if you find value so far in this video, like the video and leave a comment below about what you will want to see next on this channel. Thanks. So now it's time to cut your video or edit your video to the beats. So use the red markers as mark or sign to cut your video. So edit your video right where the red marker is. That's exactly where you want to cut your video. Follow the red markers and cut your video according to the beats. You can do that to all your videos one after the other. Alright, when you're done with that, let's click on the music and delete the part we don't need. Cut and delete. Let's add some flavor to it by adding transition to our video. Go to transition, and as you can see, Filmora have a lot of transition. So all you need to do is to go through them one after the other. If you find any one that you like, just drag and drop it in between the videos. You can go randomly. You don't have to be too specific here. Just go through them one after the other, drag and drop them in between the videos one after the other. Alright, let's double click on one of the transition, then go to setting. Let's reduce the duration. We don't want it to be too long, so click on that and reduce the duration. And if you want it to apply to all the other transition, all you need to do is to click apply to all, and it will apply to all the other transition automatically. Hey, we're on our way to hitting our first 1,000 subscribers. Thanks for subscribing. I appreciate it. By the way, if you want to learn how to convert any video to YouTube Shorts or TikTok, I have a video that goes deep into that on my channel. You can watch that at the end of this video or in the description below. So click on that export button and render your video, and let's watch the finished product. Check this out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Here are some other videos we handpicked for you that you're gonna love it, so enjoy it.